One important fact about life that we all need to know is that nobody starts a champion, right? Nobody starts a champion. Many people want to start like champions. No, nobody started a champion. Everybody started at the bottom. Everybody will always start at the bottom. One difference may be that bottoms can differ depending on maybe the kind of family you come from and the kind of parents you had and the kind of environment you grow in. But in general, everybody starts from the bottom. Okay. However, you just have to build this authority in your industry. This is not in my notes, but I think I should explain it so that some people may get it. Now, I always encourage people that if you are going to make sense in this life, if you are going to be an achiever in this life, if you are going to be a disruptor in your generation, you must pick an industry and make up your mind that as a professional, as a business person, this is my field. This is my playing field. It is not possible to build authority that makes sense, that will disrupt your life for good, if you don't have a particular industry you have identified and make up your mind that for the rest of my life, this is what I will be doing. It changes everything about you. You see, so when I say how to build authority in your industry, I am already assuming that everybody participating in this morning school, you already have an industry you have picked for the rest of your life. You see, because when you begin to study how authority leaders in different industries in the last 50 years or 100 years, you begin to see that many of these people, they command exceptional influence and authority in a particular industry. And then maybe afterwards, they started practicing what I call industry stacking. And in this generation, like 50 years ago, 100 years ago, to truly succeed, you must pick one industry. But now, if you have only one industry, you can be limited. So, expert, we are now encouraging people to practice what we call industry stacking, where it has been proven that based on this dispensation and based on where the world is going to, you have to find other industries, but not too many, maximum 2 or 3, and add to your, major industry, because every professional has a major industry.